Hey guys, welcome to another price review. Today we are going to look at the Bosch Tassimo coffee machine. There are different models of this on the market. I just have this one at the moment. So I'm gonna have a go at using two separate types of coffee. This one will be the latte macchiato, and we will do a Costa Americano. I may do two separate videos. So we'll switch this on. 31.3 pence per kilowatt hour. Let's load this up. Milk first. They have little barcodes on, and it has a little reader inside, so it knows how much to pour. That's a sweetener inside, by the way. This will require two stages, of course, whereas the Americano will just require the one stage. In truth, I'm not a fan of the Americano, the Costa, so I won't be drinking it. So I've never put one on the machine, so I don't know how long it takes. So that will be the pressurized air escaping, which doesn't require any energy. Of course, that light is still blinking, but it's not registering on there, so that will just be some sort of LED, which, as you can imagine, they are of course super low energy. So that's stopped flashing, which means we can take that one out. And we'll put the coffee in. So the Bosch Tassimo machine, not even 1 pence, 0.8 pence, 0.81 pence to be precise. It took a minute 24, 0.81 pence to make that latte macchiato. So I will end the video there. I will reset that, reset the time and the cost, and then I will make the Costa Americano.